The 2014 Cruze. The Cruze blueprint calls for more than you'd expect. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, anti-lock braking system, air conditioning, front, remote vehicle start, power steering, cruise control, aluminum wheels, AM/FM stereo radio, rear defrost, center armrest. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.